Hey team, welcome back. My name is Mike and this is the channel where you get updates on tech and lifestyle. Today we are checking out this new shoe from World Balance. This is in collaboration with SecretFresh on the Invictus line for the B69 and colorway Ketchup and Mustard. But before all that, if you are new here, be sure to subscribe to see more contents like this and stay until the end of the video to know more about this collaboration. Bye. Okay, so if you've been following the collaboration of World Balance and SecretFresh of DJ Big Boy Cheng, you'd know that they've been releasing some really nice, cool designs of lifestyle shoes. From the i-sperm Climax, and also on the Invictus line B69. This is their second colorway collaboration. The first one was released last year, September 2020. Okay, so before I show you guys the shoe, I'd just like to let you know that I've been wearing it for a couple of days now, testing it out the whole day, so you might see some dirt on the outer sole and also on the sides, so there might be some hits, just letting you guys know. Okay, so for the box, as you can see, it's really clean, it's nice, it's simple, very subtle and very classy. World Balance logo, and also you can see here lifestyle with the purple. It looks premium and really classy. And at the bottom you can see the different sizes for men and women. Also sticker on the side, as you can see the size, and you can also see the color. The paper inside is plain white, no branding there. Okay, so let us look at the shoe. It has a lot of materials in it. It has leather, mesh, suede, and also patent leather. Now on the top and some of the sides of the shoe, you can see that it's made out of mesh, so it's light and breathable also for your feet. On the toe guard and heel guard, you have the suede material there. On the side is a yellow leather, so you can see like 3 shades of yellow mustard here. The midsole is made out of red and yellow colors, which suggests the ketchup and mustard concept. It has a mix of beige color at the back of the heel, and also you can see touches of it on the sole, sock liner, and also on the string. Another material here is the patent leather. It has that nice classic vibe into it, kind of like a late 80s or early 90s metallic deep red color. Adds a really nice touch on the shoe. I'm liking the vibe. It has that classic feel but also modern in a way on how the colors are combined, and some of the materials are also put in together. It's also kind of like a wet ketchup color into it, so I think it adds a really nice sauce. On the tongue of this shoe, you can see SecretFresh logo with pull tab, and also on the heel, so it's easier for you to put in your shoe if you want it loose or a little tight. If you're looking for the World Balance logo, you can see it on the heel. It's subtle and it's really nice branding also at the back of the heel. Now if you ask me what does this shoe remind me of, well, definitely it's not a burger. For me, I think it's more of like a hot dog concept. It has that ketchup and mustard, and also the bun would be represented on the outer sole, on the heel guard, and also on the sock liner with the insole, all in beige color. Adds a really nice touch to the shoe. If you check out the shoelace, it may be beige, but it also has a nice touch of yellow and red, so it completes the whole look of the shoe. At the bottom, you have the yellow rubber, a red TPU plate, which can be seen on the sides. This is the World Balance insole system. This is the bounce pad. It's really soft and it's really nice. The bounce pad is already tried and tested. It gives you comfort when you wear it for long periods of time when you wear the shoe. The rope laces are also a nice touch. I like that it's dominantly brown or light brown or beige, whatever color that is. It adds a nice balance for the whole yellow and red colors of the shoe. Loving the hints of red and yellow on the shoelace. Really nice touch, very classy. Now to tell you honestly, the shoe looks really good in real life. I mean, you see it online on the website and social media pages. I mean, it looks fire, it looks dope, but when you have it in your hands and you wear it and you see the material and you feel the shoe in your feet, I don't know how they made it work, but it looks really good. I never thought that I'd be wearing a shoe this colorful, but it works. Let me show you a couple of photos we took during the weekend as I was wearing this shoe. There's a harmony and balance of colors, and a lot of thought was put into this shoe concept, and you can definitely see that on how the colors and materials just work together to create a really nice shoe like this. Now the fit, it's not too narrow. It has just the right width. I think the shoe is true to its size. I love the comfort that it provides. What makes the shoe special is that this colorway of ketchup and mustard color B69 Invictus is on a very limited release. Only 800 pairs are made, so make sure you get yours and cop yours now. And you know how much the shoe is? This is only 2,699 pesos. Now, talk about value and swag put together. This shoe is really super sulit. Designed by DJ Big Boy Cheng of SecretFresh and of course World Balance. Together they bring us a shoe design that is truly world class. What I like about the World Balance brand, aside from the amazing collaborations with designers and also world class brands, is that their products are really accessible and affordable for many people. A local brand with international flavor and quality, this 40-year-old World Balance local shoe brand is evolving with time, giving us the classics, nostalgia on when we were young, and also giving us trendy and amazing shoe options to choose from. So if you want this flavorful and juicy shoe collaboration of World Balance and SecretFresh, make sure to check out their website and social media pages to know on how you can cop this shoe. But what do you guys think? Is this something that you'd be interested in copying? Do you like the colorway? Do you like the materials? Let me know down in the comment section and let's discuss. If you like the video, make sure you hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe. You can also stay notified on our future uploads by clicking that notification bell. If you guys reached this point of the video, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you also to World Balance and congratulations on the collaboration of this really amazing colorway, Ketchup and Mustard. So that is it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Again, my name is Mike and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Bye.